Welcome to the MACS Quick Tip. MACS, the world leading resource and voice for sustainable mobile AC thermal management, driving innovation and best practices across global automotive and off-highway service sectors. I'm G. Trulia, your presenter. And did you know use of a scan tool to check or verify AC requests, the dash button, AC command, clutch relay, transducer, evap temp, engine temp, all of that, compare scan data with gauge readings. Also, look at here, we have AC signal request, yes. Now the clutch should be on, and it is. That's gonna tell you that the system is being commanded on. How about if it said no on that request for the relay? Then you could see you had a problem. You wouldn't be going crazy with connecting your refrigerant machines to see if there's a problem. Always use what God gave you: your brain, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your hands. Let's not forget TSBs and other stuff. This has been a MACS tip. We want to thank you. Don't forget to get your 609 certification. You can get it at MACS Online or a Proctor-led MACS course. Thank you. See you soon.